Alrighty, here we go with another Shooting the Shit series from the Bohemian Hunting Club. We've got the F.W.C expansion test. What is F.W.C, you might ask? Well, let's take a look. Alright, here we go. Here's another little test we'll be doing. All these are just penetration, expansion, things like that, just seeing what they'll do, how good the bullets react. This is the F.W.C test. What does F.W.C stand for? Flower, water, cantaloupe. Alright, here we go. We're going to be doing the F.W.C with the 44 mag, 240 grain, jacketed soft point for deer and black bear. Yeehaw! Right, here we go with another edition of Shooting the Shit. What are we shooting today? 44 Magnum. These are the Winchester jacketed soft points, and shooting at about 50-ish yards. And we're doing the Alright, here we go, in and out of the flower. Went in. Actually, here is the water jug. Again, just set my water jugs up, labels to the back, and went in, blew out, small hole. And in correspondence with that, we went in, right here you can see the flower, and small hole coming out the back, and then you can see where it hit, and where did the bullet go? Doubt it's in here, it might be inside it, but yeah, that's where it went in. You can see the flower, and that's the hole coming out. You can even see part of the water jug label. Let's see. No bullet. But there's your one in. You can see how it widened it out right there. Alright, here we go. This is the F.W.C, the flower, water, cantaloupe expansion. As you'll see in the cantaloupe, this was the water jug. Again, this is the way it was facing. Bullet goes in. It was more like that. Bullet goes in, and there's your out as it hits the cantaloupe. So right there, you had the flower right here. As you can see, it's got flour on the inside, making bread. And after that, here is the pretty bullet. That came out round. I am definitely impressed with these. That is definitely nice. That is a nice round mushroom out of that 44 mag. About a .70, .7, .40, no, .41. So not too bad. That is really nice. So there you go, and that is the flower water cantaloupe F.W.C expansion test. So I mean, that's what you pretty much count on. You shooting deer, plugging a deer, whatever. That's you definitely count on that. Thanks for watching.